Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Jo here. I hope you're all well. If you're new here, I'm Jo. I do craft videos. I usually do 3 a week, but today I'm doing something a little bit different. I bought this pumpkin cart kit, which is Cinderella's cart, off wish.com just after Christmas, and I think I paid less than £6 including postage for it. And it's a 3D puzzle kit, and I'm going to put it together today. So it comes with a picture of what you're making on the front, and then there's 3 sheets of wood in a cardboard box, and these are all the pieces to make it. Now it's all pre-cut and it's got 182 pieces in this one, and they're spread over 3 sheets of wood, and they are labelled A, B and C, and each sheet has numbers on as well. So for instance, sheet 1 is A, and it'll be like the numbered pieces are like A1, A2, A3, A4, etc. You also get a piece of sandpaper to sand the pieces once you take them out of the wood if they need a little bit of sanding, and you get your sheet of instructions, which is double-sided and it's quite large. There's no English on it, but you can make out what you're doing the way that it is diagrammed on the paper and the way that it is labelled with the numbers of the pieces. So I'm going to speed up the film so you can sit back and watch. I'm just going to put some music on as well, and taken out all the bits where I've struggled to put certain pieces together, so you don't have to watch me do that. And there is some sections that I've had to glue some pieces together because I did break them. They are quite delicate, some of these pieces, so yeah, I just used a little bit of glue to stick them in place. A bit later on I do draw around the wheels on some card and a pencil because I'm going to be making something in one of my crafts in future that needs wheels, and I just thought these were really nice, so I just drew around them, so I've got them as a stencil. So yeah, I'm going to speed it up. I will come back later on just to let you know where I went wrong and I had to take it apart and put it back together again, and I'll point that out just in case you're making this because the instructions on that section weren't very clear. But yeah, I will speed it up now, put some music on, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so this is where I noticed that I'd gone wrong, and it was in the top section where I put the top of the pumpkin in. There are 3 different sizes of the little triangle sections at the top, and what I needed to do was put the larger sections at the opening at the front and the back of the pumpkin, and I put them in the side. So the bigger ones go at the front and the back of the pumpkin where you go in and out of the cart, and then the smaller pieces go around the side where the seats are. I noticed it because I couldn't actually get the seats to sit in the gaps correctly. They were too big, and then I figured I know where it was, because it was really hard to see on the instructions. But I took it all apart and started again, and yeah, now the seats fit in perfectly and we can get on with the rest of the video. And here it is finished. I love how it's turned out. I think it looks super cute, and yeah, I'm glad that I managed to figure out that I'd done something wrong and then fix it. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I will see you on Monday with my next craft video. Take care, have a great weekend. Bye for now.